What is quinoa and what is it good for? Quinoa is a nutrient-rich grain-like seed that has been cultivated for thousands of years in the Andes region of South America. It's often referred to as a superfood due to its exceptional nutritional profile. Here's why it's considered beneficial. High nutritional value. Quinoa is rich in protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. It's also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including magnesium, iron, zinc, and potassium. Gluten-free. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for people with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Rich in antioxidants. It contains various plant compounds with antioxidant properties, which help protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. May aid weight loss. Quinoa is relatively low in calories and high in protein and fiber, which can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. May lower blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that quinoa may help lower blood sugar levels due to its high fiber and protein content, making it a suitable option for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Versatility. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and can be used in various dishes including salads, soups, stir-fries, and as a substitute for rice or other grains in many recipes. Overall, quinoa is a nutritious and versatile food that can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet, offering numerous health benefits.